welcome to Cosplay Makeup Monday. So I was thinking, since we just had that holiday with all the food, Thanksgiving, that I should do a Food Wars themed makeup look. So yes, I'm doing Ikumi Mito from Food Wars. If you haven't checked it out, it's a really great anime about, basically it's chopped in anime form. They have cook-offs at a cooking school. And it sounds dumb, but it's actually really entertaining. There's some awesome recipes. And the characters are just so lovable, so make sure you check it out. Hey guys, it's Jazzy. Welcome back, and welcome if you are new. On this channel, we cosplay and live our best nerdy lives, so thanks for joining the party. Before we get started, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe so that you never miss another Makeup Monday. Alright, let's get into it. With the basics, I'm gonna prime my skin. I always prime my skin, and you guys know that one of my favorite primers is the e.l.f. Primer Glow Stick. I love this primer. I like it because it's lightweight. I barely feel it, and it hides my pores when I put on foundation. Alright, let's put on some foundation. I will be putting on my Pretty Fresh foundation. And it's basically more of a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer, but I love it, so I'm going to be putting that all over my face. Alright, so next up, we're going to be doing some very natural eye makeup. When I first did this look, I did it with my Raye Raye palette. So I think I'm going to go back in there and do it with that one again. Unfortunately, this palette is no longer available, but I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon. If you don't know Raye Raye, she has a YouTube channel. So we're going to take this light brown color, and we're just going to put it up there by our brow bone. Then I'm going to take an even richer brown and put it right underneath it. I'm going to take a deep purple and just take a little bit of that and put it in the corner. We're just going to blend all of that out. I'm going to take this really pale nude color. I know you guys can see that really pale nude color, and I'm going to put it all over my lid. And I'm going to go back over it with a very nude shimmer. Then we're going to take that rich brown color and drag it underneath. So then we're going to put white on our waterline because we're an anime character, and also it makes the eyes look bigger. It's my favorite thing. Okay, so that looks good. That looks good. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna take our eyeliner and we're gonna make a really, really, really chunky eyeliner. Not thick chunky, but it kind of just has to look like it was drawn. I don't know if you've ever seen anime eyes, but anime eyes have this like thick eyeliner and this tiny little wing. It's a thing. So I'm going to attempt to recreate that. First, I'm going to put some black on my upper waterline. So next we're just gonna put on our mascara before we put on our lashes. So I'm putting on mascara. For the lips, I'm gonna outline them in a light brown. I'm gonna be taking the color Ariel from the ColourPop Disney Designer Collection. It's this really pretty, I don't know if you can see that, really pretty pinky nude color, kind of browny. Not really sure how to describe it, but we're gonna put that on our lips. And then on top of that, I'm going to put this color from Revlon in Gold Goddess. I use it when I do my SpongeBob looks because it gives me gold lips. And I'm just gonna add that. When I first did this look, I did dark brown lips, and I just feel like her lips are really glossy and nude, so we're gonna do glossy and nude this time. And we're gonna add some gloss on top. So tell me, what was your favorite thing you ate on Thursday? My favorite thing was the delicious, delicious ham. Ham's always the best thing. So quick story time while we do our cheeks. I'm just gonna be doing regular bronzer and regular blush. You know, you could just listen to the story time while we get this done. So when I first did this look, I was at ASIN in Chicago, or Anime Central. It's held at Rosemont every year, and I was supposed to meet up with a friend who never showed, but I was half naked. I don't know if you guys have ever seen Ikumi's outfits, but she doesn't wear a lot of clothes. And this is my first time ever being at a convention and not being fully clothed in some ridiculous outfit. Instead, my like boobs were out and my legs were out, and I was already super self-conscious. It was absolutely terribly horrifying. And eventually I had, and the worst part about it was I thought it was a low-key character. Like, no one's gonna recognize me. No one's gonna know who this is. So I was like, okay, I'll be cool. I'll be cool. No one's gonna know who this is. And I'm walking around. Everyone is like staring at me. Everyone wants photos with me. Everyone wants to take pictures with me. They want pictures of me. I even got interviewed. I just was like, what is happening? How do people know this character? Like, I did not know this anime was famous because it had been out for a very long time before the traction started. And I had watched it like forever ago. So I was like, what? Where are these people coming from? Where are these fans? But no, people were obsessed. Like, they wanted pictures of me. I was so uncomfortable in my own skin. It was terrible. Back before I really just realized I could just say no. Oh my god, it was terrible. And so eventually my guy friends did show up. My other friend didn't, but whatever. My guy friends did show up, and they kind of protected me from any of the creepy weirdos. Here we go. Here is the finished look. Usually I have like my foam knives and stuff, but I could not find them before making this video, just keeping it real. So essentially this is the look, and I love it. I'm wearing my Ikumi bra and the shorts. To keep up to date with all my fun cosplays and the things I do, make sure you check out Naturally Colorful Babe on TikTok and on Instagram. Also, this wig was like only 10 bucks at Amazon, so I will definitely be linking the wig down below in case you want to cosplay her too. Make sure that you like, that you comment, that you subscribe, and do not forget to tell me what your favorite thing you ate on Thursday was, because, you know, I just feel like cooking, so, you know, food wars, cooking, let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next Cosplay Monday. Bye!